Alright, so today we doing some floors, vinyl floors, planks, whatever you want to call them. They kind of like a natural golden oak floors. So far, we have 640 for the materials and all that good stuff, and then 200 for labor. So far, we have a $790 profit. Hopefully, you don't have to buy anything else. And we'll be all good. The job come out as well. We finished all today. It's a small kitchen, about 150 square foot. So yeah, the customer removed all they said they removed all the floors that were on there. They didn't have any waterproof floors that was in the kitchen, so that caused the floors to like get damaged or whatnot, and there was no underlayment. So today we have everything, all the materials, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna add new trim. We're gonna stain 2 stairs. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then more should come out of this job later on this year. But yeah, let's get on. Okay, right here we have all the floor. We had got 9. We should have probably like a box left, but just in case, yeah, I got 9. So the tools back there. Underlayment, cutter, staining for the 2 stairs. The same. Damn, I just came in all that. I didn't even realize I could do all that. Got the caulk, whatever, rubber hammer, trim. I forget what this is called. I forget, but yeah, let's get it started. So we get started right now. Got the refrigerator and the stove. We're doing from here. This the kitchen. Stopping there. Alright, see, almost done. This is basically like 85% right here. Coming in here, refrigerator, then the stove, trim. Starting to stain on here now. Sanding it down, just 2 steps. So we're about to start the sanding. We got the wall. I got this yesterday. We have the specials going on with all the tools. It was buy the tool, get 2 batteries free. I already had the charger. Comes with this little, a small little vacuum right there. Let me show you. Just kind of like attaches on there. That's it. I mean, it'll hold quite a little bit. And I mean, we're using 80 grit to start off, and we'll work our way up. Alright, so just finished sanding everything. We had 2 cases of flooring left. We're gonna go ahead and take those 2 back. So we're actually gonna increase our profit. So they need the trim, and yeah, so we just returned in a couple of things, and of course I forgot the nails and a couple other things. So we're gonna gain back at least like 120-ish around there in profit. So we should be right around like 810, 820 in profit. It's not bad at all. Alright, we'll keep you guys updated. The kitchen is done. I will show you guys the full kitchen being done. Once I get back, I gotta run to Home Depot now and grab a few things. Yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so we're all done at Home Depot. So we actually got back $207 from the returns. Then we had to buy a transition piece, and we had to buy 2 transition pieces and some nails. That added up to $69. We brought it up to $138 extra in profit, which give us $938 altogether in profit. It was not bad at all. Alright, so here we have the stain here. It's like a natural look. The customer really liked how it looked at sanded. She gonna love how it looks now. floor all done.